How to see old Google Maps street views on Android. This tutorial shows you how to travel back in time and see how a location looked in the past. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android device and search for any location you want to explore. After that, tap on the Street View thumbnail on the location's details page to enter Street View mode. From there, once you're inside Street View, look at the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see the date of the current image displayed. At this point, tap on that date, and a row of older dates will appear at the bottom of the screen, showing all the historical images available for that location. In the next step, tap on any of the older dates to jump back in time and see how that exact spot looked back then. Following this, keep tapping through the different dates to compare how much the location has changed over the years. Once done, a great place to see really dramatic changes is Times Square in New York, or Dubai Marina, where the transformation over the years is incredibly visible. Finally, keep in mind that not every location will have historical Street View data. Coverage depends on when Google first captured that area, so some spots may only have a few years of history, while others go back much further. And that's it. If this guide helped you explore old Google Maps street views on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.